Hey guys, what's up? It's Jess with hdflorida.com, and I'm over at Tampa Harley today to talk to you about leather care. Now, if you're like anybody else, you have some kind of item from Harley-Davidson that has leather on it, leather boots, gloves, a vest, a jacket, chaps, anything with leather on it, this is what you need. And don't forget, you can also use this on things that are not motorcycle related. Josh's dad actually uses it on the seats on his boat. So, perfect. Now, the great thing about leather care is it doesn't expire. So the best thing for you to do is buy 3 or 4 bottles at a time. You'll go through it pretty quickly. And again, it doesn't expire. It's great to have it lying around the house. Now, the directions are right on the bottle. It basically says, apply it to your item, let it soak in, let it dry, and do as needed or as necessary. But we recommend you go ahead and take some kind of microfiber cloth, an old t-shirt lying around if that's what you have available, and apply this liberally, pretty generously, to the item that you're putting it on. Then all you're gonna do is let it sit overnight. Just let it hang out and let it dry. Then do a second coat. Again, this bottle does not tell you to do that second coat, but we recommend that to you because it's really gonna help maintain the look and the feel of that leather item that you spent money on. After you do that second coat on that item, you're good to go. Then you can do it every 6 months, every 3 months, whatever you feel comfortable with. I recommend, since we're going into the summertime here in Florida, you're about to get into a riding season where you're not using those leathers. So do it right now before you put everything back in the closet, so while it's sitting there and you're not using it, it's still getting that moisture and that protection that you want. One of the best things about this leather care is it is UV protected, meaning even though the sun's beating down on you, if you apply this to the jacket or the vest that you're wearing, it won't get sun damage. A lot of Harley-Davidson leathers are meant to be worn. They're gonna wear over time and get more of a vintage look to them, but this will help protect them so they still look good in 10 years. Another great thing about this leather care is, one of my favorite things is, it has no dyes in it. So you can have a brown leather jacket, a white leather jacket, brown leather boots, any kind of leather, and you can still apply this to it because it won't damage or tint the color of the leather that you're putting it on. So we're gonna go ahead and get into showing you guys how we apply this to our leathers. I stole a microfiber cloth from the detail department. Don't tell anybody. I'm gonna apply this to a leather vest that we have here today. Highly recommend this vest for summertime riding because it has leather and textile, so it won't get you super hot whenever you're riding. Now, I'm just gonna take this microfiber cloth. I'm gonna take my leather care. I'm gonna apply it directly to my cloth. Get a good amount on there. And then we're just gonna rub this right in. We're just gonna go for it. Just gonna rub this right in. And you'll see that it's already got some shine to it. You guys see that there? Do you see that there? So we're just gonna apply this everywhere there is leather. I'm gonna get down here where it's embroidered, where it says Harley-Davidson on the left chest part. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. So I've only done the top portion of this vest, but once you complete the entire vest where all the leather is, or if it's an entirely leather vest, you complete it all. Again, all you're gonna do is let it sit and let it dry. You can let it sit for 24 hours, you can let it sit for 2 days, whatever you feel comfortable with, as long as you know that that piece is dry, go ahead and do that second coat. I'm gonna skip that today because this isn't dry, but I am gonna show you the best way to apply it to gloves. What's the easiest way to do it to gloves? You're just gonna do it like you're washing your hands, Real easy. Here we go. Just gonna slip these on here. Just like this. Super easy. Super easy. Very quick. You just gotta make sure you're pretty thorough. But I don't know if you guys can tell already, there is a lot of shine in these gloves. And that's great because you don't want your leathers to look dull. You want them to look nice and bright and new. It's a product that you spend money on and you want it to look good, again, in 10 years. 20, 30, these leathers are gonna look brand new. Okay, so now that I have these gloves covered in leather care, I'm gonna let them dry. Again, 24 hours, 2 days, whatever you wanna do. But then I'm gonna come back and do the same exact thing. You can just squirt it right in between your gloves and wash your hands. That's all you gotta do. All right, guys, that's all I have today for the Harley-Davidson Leather Care product. Again, it's UV protected, it has no dyes in it, it doesn't have an expiration date. So stop by Tampa Harley-Davidson, pick up 3 or 4 bottles of this, 5 or 6 if you really want to. We're here for you, we've got plenty in stock, and we'll catch you soon.